who is selling my dogecoin? Stop it. I will find you. Stop selling my dogecoin, okay? Russell, still holding up great in my opinion, man. Like, if you take a look at the entire overall market, there are coins that they lost their lows. They have lost their lows and they're going lower. And I'm talking about legitimate altcoins with great product have lost their lows and are going lower, right? When I say lost their lows, meaning that they went to the bottom of their range. You see how Russell was in a consolidation range and had, some pops along the way. Then it made another pop. A lot of projects did not make those pops, man. They just lost their lows and just continued dropping further. So I'm still impressed by Russell's strength, and I'm still bullish on Russell. I'm still holding. Right now, 100,000 Russell tokens is $700, $686 if you want to be exact. And I think that's great. When I look at Russell, I think this is going to be $1 billion meme, and I'm stamping that. I'm going to stand on that. If Toshi went to $1 billion market cap, I think Russell will also hit $1 billion market cap. Dogecoins in the space, from what I've seen over and over again. Doge, the biggest Dogecoin, 80 bill, or how much was it? 60 bill, 80 bill market cap, somewhere in that range. Shiba, 40 to 50 bill market cap. Floki, 3 bill market cap. Nero, 1.5 bill market cap. Remember Nero? Nero is the new dog that the Dogecoin's owner, right? The Doge owner, the original dog. She adopted another Shiba Inu dog, called it Nero, and that went to 1.5 billion. Another dog coin, Baby Doge, another dog coin, went to $1 billion, right? Dog with hat, 5 billion, and even in Bonk, 3 to 5 billion for Bonk, another dog coin, right? And even Popcat, right? Popcat was the top cat coin, and Mog got to 1.4 billion, and Popcat got to 2 billion. They didn't even pass that 3 billion threshold, right? They didn't pass that 3 billion threshold. Bonk and Dog with Hat did, right? So that's why I said, from statistically, if we go through memes, if we take a look at meme coins in general, dog coins have been the best returns in the space. They have been the best returns in the space, dog coins, right? So I'm still going to be bullish on Russell. I'm still going to bull post this thing. I don't care how low it goes. Hopefully I make a huge bag off of Monad, and then I could buy like a massive bag of Russell. Hopefully I am going to make a huge bag off of Monad. I'm going to buy a massive bag of Russell. So people could sell, man. I think this is going to be a long-term play, because guess what? Even in a bear market, Russell will always be Brian Armstrong's pet dog, and we've seen him purchase a base post for Russell, further confirming that this is his pet dog's name. This is the pet dog. So even if we get a bear market, 2026, going into end of 2026, maybe after summer, you could see Russell maybe have more pullbacks back to the lows, or go sideways for all those months. We'll see what happens, but I'm confident that going into 2026, or going into some time when the market starts to turn around again and a bull market begins, you're gonna get $1 billion, if not $10 billion Russell. And I see the same thing for Toshi as well too. Again, no disrespect to Toshi, love Toshi. I see Toshi get into 10 billion in market cap as well. But I'm saying, like, not having exposure to Russell, in my opinion, where dog coins statistically have outperformed, and the stats are there, right, is in my opinion, is not like a good decision if you're in the space and if you're trying to make gains, right? So that's why I said even 100,000 Russell tokens goes very far, man, because that potentially would be $100,000 at $1 billion market cap. And I think $5 to $10 for Russell is also in the cards, man. Remember, the base app just went live. In my opinion, it's Binance's, as far as centralized exchanges go, it's Coinbase and Binance. So Binance has its own ecosystem thing with BNB going on, and then Base has coin stock and the Base network, the Base chain, Base ecosystem, right? And we've had a base, we have seen a base, bull run, but nothing crazy. We haven't seen the onboarded users, Coinbase going number one, or the base app, because it's the base app now, it's rebranding, going number one in the app store. We haven't seen that retail, crazy, euphoric, everyone thinks they're gonna be millionaires or make $1 billion. We have not seen that. And I think base chain and the plays like Russell will experience that boom in the future, right? And I'm sticking with my conviction, right? There's content creators that cover Toshi on a daily basis. Well, guess what? I'll be covering Russell on a daily basis, regardless of price action. Positive or negative price action does not matter to me. I've seen too much to ignore this project, right? So Russell, the blue nose based deer. Nice little meme right here, man. Have to drop a like on that. And we see Jesse replying, "Hi Jesse, Russell thinks this base posting thing on Base app is kind of fun. What should the Russell community donate the fees to?" Right? And you see Jesse saying pay it forward. And you see Jesse replying to Russell. Whoa, awesome. So what it looks like is that the Russell team are gonna use the Base app fees that they've generated to donate, right? And then they ask Jesse, yo, where should we donate, right? So that's bullish, man. These are the types of things that you want to see from projects, right? And again, even those little interactions, remember, like I told you guys, Brian Armstrong himself purchased some of Russell's base posts, right? Because every post you make is tokenized on the Base app, right? So anyone could purchase any post that you make because everything is tokenized. Remember, we're going into the time of the tokenization of everything, right? Brian Armstrong, this is his official his official wallet. You could go and research yourself if you get on the Base app and type in Brian Armstrong. Get on the Base app, use it. Use these things in crypto, guys. Stop just speculating on price only. Use the apps. Use what you have, right? Go on the Base app, type in Brian Armstrong. It's mobile, right? And then you're gonna see Brian Armstrong here. You could go through like the holders for the Russell post. I think it was Russell socks that he purchased, right? It was a image of him and Elon. Yeah, him and Elon. I can't see, it's not the full post, it's cut out here. Oh wait, I think I could pull it up on my desktop. One sec. I could pull it up on my desktop. Yes, I can. There you go. So this is the base post. Every post you make is tokenized, right? Brian Armstrong, Elon with the socks, everyone wearing the socks. This is bullish, right? And Brian Armstrong himself right here, legitimately right here. Here is his wallet. This is his Base app wallet. Purchased Russell's base post, right? So as you can see, Russell, this is they tied their base account to the token. So this shows you the Russell's market cap, and then you could scroll through each tokenized Base app post and make a purchase on these Base apps, right? These Base app posts, and that's how the creators earn rewards, right? Which is very interesting. Like I've been speaking about with Zora, all of these rails are built through Zora, right? So this is very, I like this, right? This is what crypto is about. Creators want to earn right away. They don't want to have to go, get up to 1 million engagements, 5 million engagements, 4,000 hours of watch time, get to it right away, right? And this is what decentralization provides. So again, this is very bullish for Russell. Make sure you go follow the official Russell account on the Base app, right? But yeah, man, like, I don't know what else I don't know what else to say, man. I still got people in my comment section still not convinced, that Russell is the top dog on Base chain. I don't know how else I'll convince them, man. I guess they'll just wait until $1 billion market cap, man. But hey, just know, now is the time. If you were looking for an entry, now is the time to start your DCA. Now is the time to do so, right? And if we fall lower, who cares? Just if you got a goal, my goal, like I said, for regular investors out there that don't have a ton of money, I know everyone is struggling with inflation, the economy, all of these things. That's why I said just 100,000 Russell token. That's $700 right now. Maybe you DCA $200 in. If it falls to 5 mil market cap, I'm not sure if it will. I don't have a crystal ball. I can't see the future. If it does fall there though, you have $200 in, you add another $200, right? If it takes off from here with your $200 where you have exposure, you make profit, you're strategic, right? So as always, guys, bullish on Russell. Let me get your thoughts down below. Woof, woof. Like, subscribe, share the video. None of this is financial advice. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you in the next.